Welcome back to Dad's Garage. Today on Dad's Garage, I'm trying to start the damn Lincoln. Lincoln don't want to start. And like it needs like, I don't know how many volts, 12, 13, 14, 16, 24. Nothing will start this damn Lincoln. It's like wah, 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 wah. You know the sound it makes when the battery's not strong enough. So we got the 4.1 liter, trying to start the 7.5 liter. Not working at all. Let's get click, 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 click. Not good sign. Let's take a closer look. 4.1, perfectly clean. Not doing the task that I'm asking it to do. 7.5, recently refurbished somehow. Valve cover gaskets to stop the leak. Carburetor gasket. Just simple basic stuff. A little paint here and there. But she don't want to start because like I haven't addressed the starter, the alternator. I have all of that, but I won't address that until I address the nasty manifold beneath the distributor. I'll take the distributor out, clean the manifold, paint the manifold so it looks like the rest of the manifolds, and then come back, make that look all pretty. Do the thermostat, the hose, the heater core hoses, which obviously we have multicolored hoses back there. We'll take care of that. But I mean, she's like not cranking. She's like wah, 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 wah. Just won't catch. I mean, it's like not enough strength. Here, let's see. Let's hear it. Okay, so I got in the caddy as if I was going to start the Lincoln, so that was a mistake. We have to get in the Lincoln to start the Lincoln. All right, we're in the Lincoln. Okay, so you have to do this. I remember this from the 80s. I had to hold that up. I don't know why, but let's see. Let's put the camera down somewhere. I guess the ignition is below the dash. All right, I don't want you guys looking at carpet like Billy sent me a video once and it was looking at grass for like, I don't know why I'm looking at grass. I don't want you guys looking at carpet. So let's try to make it look at like at least my hand turning on the ignition. There we go. I mean, did you hear that? Wah, wah, tick, 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 tick. Like, come on, seriously? Really? You won't start? Come on, seriously? You got the Cadillac giving you a boost and you won't appreciate it? Jesus Christ. All right, Pat's gonna try to start it as I accelerate the gas. Not the brake, the gas there. Waiting. She tried it. She got click, 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 click. So she's waiting. Let's do time elapse. Nothing. Nothing at all. This car will not start. She's shaking her head no. I'll go over there. I know she's not shaking her head no, but she looks very aggravated that I'm bothering her. So let's just... Alright, she's doing it again. Go ahead. Go, Pat. Nope. Negative. Alright, what are we going to do here? I don't know what we're doing. We're definitely smoking out the neighbors. They may be breathing in some carbon monoxide of some sort. Alright, clearly the Lincoln does not want to start via Cadillac. I don't know if it's a GM Ford thing. I don't know. But like we're getting... Oh, we got to pull that up. We got this going on here. Wah, 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 wah. All right, so we'll try again tomorrow. Next Dad's Garage, maybe we get this bad boy running. without the assistance of the Cadillac. Maybe it doesn't like the use of the Cadillac. I don't know. I tried the Ford's Lincoln Mercury, same thing. It would have appreciated that. Didn't like that either. So we're just gonna run with it again tomorrow. We'll try something else. But everything else is back together. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at what we did. We took off the valve covers. We sanded, painted, and we took off the carburetor, sanded, painted the manifolds. We needed the distributor and the thermostat, and then they get deep down in there because clearly nasty. But for now, that looks pretty good, but it doesn't run. So what good is it if it doesn't run? Next Dad's Garage, we'll make it run. Have a good night.